The Dacia Sandero Stepway is a compact SUV that has gained attention for its affordability, practicality, and fuel efficiency. It's essentially a beefed-up version of the Sandero hatchback, featuring a raised ride height, plastic body cladding, and roof rails that give it a more rugged look. The 2023 model has undergone some exterior changes, including a new grille framed in white, redesigned headlights, and LED daytime running lights. The rear has also been updated with new taillights and a revised bumper. Under the hood, the Sandero Stepway offers two engine options, a 1-liter 3-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine and a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine. The petrol engine churns out 90 horsepower and 160 nanometers of torque, while the diesel variant offers 115 horsepower and 260 newton-meters of torque. Both engines can be paired with either a manual or automatic transmission. When it comes to fuel economy, the Sandero Stepway is a standout performer. The petrol engine version averages 4.9 liters per 100 kilometers, while the diesel version is even more efficient, averaging 3.8 liters per 100 kilometers. This makes it one of the most fuel-efficient vehicles in its class. Safety is another strong suit for the Sandero Stepway. It comes standard with ABS, ESP, and 6 airbags. The vehicle has also earned a 5-star safety rating from Euro NCAP, adding an extra layer of confidence for potential buyers. On the technology front, the car comes equipped with a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Additional features like a reversing camera, climate control, and cruise control are also available, enhancing the overall driving experience. Practicality is another area where the Sandero Stepway shines. The interior is spacious, and the boot is generously sized. The rear seats can be folded down to create a flat loading area, making it versatile for carrying a variety of items. Driving the Sandero Stepway is generally a pleasant experience. The ride is firm but not harsh, and the vehicle handles well. While the petrol engine is sufficient for most driving conditions, the diesel engine is recommended for those who frequently travel on motorways. Inside, the Sandero Stepway offers a straightforward but functional interior. The dashboard is constructed from hard plastics but is well assembled and feels durable. The seating is comfortable and provides ample space for 4 adults, making it a practical choice for families or small groups. In terms of pricing, the Sandero Stepway is highly competitive. Starting prices are around £10,000 in the UK, making it one of the most affordable options in its category. The 2023 Dacia Sandero Stepway is an excellent option for those in search of an affordable, practical, and fuel-efficient vehicle. While it may not offer the luxury or advanced technology features found in some of its competitors, it provides solid value for money and is a reliable choice for a wide range of consumers. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.